the heart of mosquito season, and the City of Norfolk's vector control staff is hard at work.
The goal of vector control is to prevent the citizens of Norfolk from getting infected or prevent mosquitoes from transmitting viruses or viral disease.
Diseases like Eastern equine encephalitis and West Nile virus, which both have been found in Virginia. Another mosquito-borne disease that has never appeared in Virginia is nonetheless on everyone's minds.
The nation's top health officials warning that the Zika virus appears to be a lot scarier than first thought.
Norfolk is a different environment. We are an urban environment. The mosquito species we have here are different, so our approach needs to be different.
That approach includes surveillance, control, and education. More than 30 species of mosquitoes live in Norfolk, but
90% of our complaints when we get a call from citizens concerning a mosquito bite, it relates to one species. And that's the one you hear a lot about, the Asian tiger mosquito or the albopictus. These are the mosquitoes that breed primarily in containers, close proximity to humans, and they seem to have a preference for us.
To fight them, vector control first has to find them. Workers set and check these traps daily in more than 150 locations throughout the city. Then, health staff freezes the mosquitoes, sorts them, and grinds them up into a mosquito milkshake. The remnants are then tested locally for Triple E and West Nile virus.
If this was a positive test, for example, West Nile or Eastern equine encephalitis, you would see a second line showing up on the bottom. In this case, both these tests were negative.
And sent off to Richmond to be tested for the Zika virus.
None of our mosquitoes have come back positive for Zika.
Positive tests in Florida resulted from a mosquito not found in Virginia, the Aedes aegypti.
All the outbreaks have been affiliated with the Aedes aegypti mosquito, which is really good at transmitting Zika because of, this mosquito like living close proximity to humans, and it has a preference of feeding on humans. As you travel up the East Coast and you get into our area in Virginia, we don't have the Aedes aegypti mosquito here. It cannot survive the winter.
Controlling populations of Norfolk's mosquitoes includes spraying to kill adult mosquitoes, treating water sources to kill mosquito larvae, and reducing sources of breeding like small pockets of water in backyards.
Based on the numbers we're finding in our traps, what we do is we dispatch teams to those areas and we try to see if we can pinpoint the location of this mosquito breeding. We do systematic approach. We go through backyard, every single house. And what we're trying to do is find the source of these breeding.
Sources like waterlogged tires, outdoor exercise equipment,
Tons of them wiggling.
and lawnmowers.
Lawnmower top, ideal breeding spot.
But education is still the key.
Our number one goal is to get the information to the public because they can do more than we can. We can educate them and we're there to guide them, in locating these sources and prevent mosquitoes.
For more information on protecting yourself from mosquitoes or to contact Vector Control, go to norfolk.gov and search Vector Control.